Hi, everybody. It's Joe Campusano, Campusano Insurance here, talking about your basic insurance questions in a minute or two. Got a call today, and this is auto insurance week, so you're going to see a lot of videos this week about auto insurance. But more importantly, a call today was really interesting. Is that the client bought a brand new car, and the one of the scariest things that you drive off the lot and you get into an accident. Well, this actually happened. Fortunately, he was insured by us, and he had guaranteed replacement cost coverage on the auto policy. Now, many carriers have that option, but it's only for 2 years, 3 years at max. We have two carriers in our office that actually offer it 5 years. So the car's first 5 years, and there's a total, they're going to replace it with a like kind, meaning year, make, model of the new version of your car if it's totaled, regardless of the cost. So if you got a great deal on it the first time, you're going to get it paid in full on the second time, if God forbid there's a problem. Call us and let's discuss a little bit more about this type of coverage because it is available. 732-892-8826, jcampusano.com. We have a quick quote form on there now. Take you a couple minutes just to put some information on it, and we will spend more than 15 minutes of our time with you to get you the right coverage. Hope you're doing well. Talk soon.